Have you ever looked at a TikTok shop product and wondered, how did this thing suddenly explode? That's exactly what happened to me. I was browsing Fastmoss, looking for interesting products, when one listing completely caught my attention. In what felt like no time, it had gone from just a few $1,000s in GMV to well over $300,000. And what surprised me even more wasn't the product, it was the videos. Several of them had over 1 million views. At first, I thought it was a massive marketing team behind them, but then I discovered something I definitely wasn't expecting. Most of those videos were created with AI, so naturally, I wanted to know exactly what they were using. I dug a little deeper, found the answer, and today I'm going to recreate that same workflow myself using the exact tool they mentioned. We'll see if it can actually take a successful TikTok shop video, adapt it for a completely different product, generate a new shoppable ad, and even publish it directly to TikTok.
This is AI Scope, your front row seat to the AI revolution. Every week we explore powerful AI tools, uncover hidden features, and see if they truly deliver. If you want smarter tools and smarter decisions, you're in the right place.
If you sell online, run ads, or create content for brands, I think you'll find this pretty interesting. Let's jump in. So after spotting that Fastmoss case, I opened the seller's TikTok profile. Almost every successful video followed a similar style. Fast-paced edits, native TikTok storytelling, clear product demonstrations. Nothing looked overly polished like a traditional commercial, which is probably why people kept watching. Then came the surprising part. These weren't manually produced by a huge content team. The creator behind the account explained they were using a platform called Umomo. Instead of starting from scratch every time, they simply found a video structure that was already working, adapted it for their own product, and generated new versions to test. Honestly, that makes a lot of sense. Finding winning creatives is usually the hardest part. If you already know a format is converting, why reinvent everything? So let's actually test it ourselves. Once inside Umomo, the feature that immediately stood out is called Viral Remake. The idea is pretty simple. You paste the link to an existing TikTok shop video that's already performing well. Instead of copying it, Umomo analyzes the structure, the hook, pacing, product presentation, and overall flow. Next, I upload my own product images. The platform recommends using clean white background images from multiple angles so the AI has consistent visuals to work with. Then I add the product name and write down the key selling points I want the video to communicate. This is where you can customize the message instead of simply cloning another video. Once everything is ready, I hit Generate. After a short wait, Umomo creates a brand new short-form shoppable video. What I actually like is that it keeps the overall rhythm of the successful original, the opening hook, the pacing, and the conversion flow. But everything is rebuilt around my own product. It feels inspired by a winning format rather than duplicated. And honestly, that's probably the biggest advantage here. Coming up with fresh ideas every single day is exhausting. Starting with something that's already proven gives you a much stronger foundation for testing. Another feature I noticed is that this isn't just an AI video generator. It works more like an entire TikTok shop workflow. Once your videos are ready, you can organize them, create multiple variations for A/B testing, and even publish directly to TikTok from the same dashboard instead of constantly switching between different tools. For anyone running multiple products or managing client accounts, that can save quite a bit of time.
I've been using the Medicube Age Year Booster Pro for 3 weeks now, and the glow is real. It's so easy to use and helps my skincare absorb way deeper into my skin. It fits perfectly into my daily routine. Seriously, look at this healthy glass skin finish.
Before we wrap up, here's a quick heads up. From August 3rd to September 9th, Fastmoss is celebrating Membership Month with exclusive offers. When you purchase a Fastmoss membership, you'll also get access to Umomo. And if you use my affiliate link or code, you'll receive an extra 10% bonus in credits. Plus, Umomo is available at its lowest price of the year during this promotion. Check the link in the description if you're interested. After spending some time testing Umomo, I don't think the goal is to replace creativity. It's really about removing the repetitive part of the process. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what video to make next, you begin with a format that's already proven to capture attention. From there, you adapt it to your own product, generate multiple versions, and keep testing until you find what performs best. That's a much smarter workflow than creating every ad from zero. If you're a TikTok shop seller seller, run an e-commerce brand, work in an agency, or manage paid ads, I can definitely see why this platform is getting attention. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've placed the official website in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tools that actually help businesses grow, and I'll see you in the next one.